Today I'm going to be shooting my Beretta Spring Action 310 FPS. This is one of my first baby guns. You know, I don't use pellet guns, but I just found this thing recently. See if I can line up the sights with this camera. I'm shooting a white 1290 that is popping up and hitting me in the leg. This thing's got a pretty big clip. See here. Oh, out now. That is my Beretta. And I take a look at it and some of its features. This thing that is pulled back spring. It's got a hammer, but it's pretty much useless. It's got hop up, secondary barrel. It is painted black. It's got a safety and like a 15 bullet clip in the safety, because you didn't see that. Yep, and that's it.